Welcome to the Vocab School by Manu and Tinku. Our aim is to enhance your English vocabulary by introducing one new word daily. Let's see what word we are learning today. Word of the day is Calvinism. In this video we will learn its origin, form, literal meaning and practical usage. Let the learning begin. Let us understand the origin of Calvinism. What do we know about Calvinism? Calvinism is named after John Calvin, a prominent French theologian and reformer during the Protestant Reformation in the 16th century. He was a key figure in shaping the theology and principles that came to be known as Calvinism. Calvin's ideas spread from Geneva, Switzerland, where he established a center for Reformation theology and church governance. Moving on, Calvinism is a proper noun and refers to a system of theological beliefs and doctrines derived from the teachings of John Calvin and his followers. For your knowledge, a proper noun is a noun that serves as the name for a specific place, person, or thing. Now let us discuss the literal meaning of Calvinism. Calvinism is the theological system and doctrines associated with the teachings of John Calvin, which include predestination, total depravity, unconditional election, limited atonement, irresistible grace and perseverance of the saints. Now let us discuss some of the similar and opposite terms for Calvinism. Learning the similar and opposite words not only help understand the word we learn but also add valuable words into our vocabulary. So let's see, what do we know? Some similar terms for Calvinism are Reformed theology and Presbyterianism. Some opposite terms are Arminianism, Pelagianism and Universalism. Learn these important terms to understand Calvinism. Now it is time to use the term Calvinism in sentences to understand the practical usage of the term. Here are some examples. He expounded traditional Calvinism with its high doctrine of church order. Or, furthermore, he was preaching against Calvinism. Thanks for watching. If you learned the word of the day, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Vocab School. Also follow us on TikTok and Instagram. Share the video with friends and family. Happy learning and have a nice day.